Hello everyone, my name is Zhanna Kojanovna and you are on my YouTube channel TOTUS. Yesterday, the 6th of February 2023, there was an earthquake in Turkey. The earthquake affected 10 cities and the epicenter of earthquake was the city of Gaziantep and the Marash. The power of earthquake was 7.8 points. And there is destruction, a lot of people are injured and dead. Please accept my condolences. And the earthquake was felt in Mersin too. But thanks to Allah, no buildings were destroyed, no one was hurt. Mersin is the seismically safe region of Turkey. But nevertheless, please take care of yourself, of your family and friends, because yesterday a lot of people were shocked, they're not expected, and they weren't ready for this. That's why they got into their cars and drove to open areas, fields, and to their villages. Again, please accept my condolences. Take care of yourself, of your family and friends. Goodbye.